Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Eivikga 4K+2.5K+2.5K Dashcam. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 4K+2.5K+2.5K, 3-channel recording and 170 degrees wide angle. The Eivikga 3-channel Dashcam front rear inside captures ultra-crisp footage with Ultra HD 4K, 3840x2160p, front camera and Full HD, 2.5K inside and rear dashcam. Its 170 degrees/150 degrees ultra-wide angle lens minimizes blind spots, ensuring full coverage of road signs, license plates, and critical details during collisions. Ideal as a good 4K dashcam or car accessories, it safeguards evidence with unmatched clarity. STARVIS 2 sensor and WDR night vision. Our dashcams provides super night vision with STARVIS 2 sensor. Dashcam's 6-layer f/1.6 aperture lens and HDR technology lets you capture every important details clearly even in challenging lighting conditions, offers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details. Built-in GPS for precise location. This A8 Pro dash camera is designed with built-in GPS, which helps log your driving speed, route, and real-time latitude and longitude, allowing you to track your journey on maps via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Providing additional evidence when needed, especially when the accident happens unfortunately. This dash camera for cars features 5 GHz Wi-Fi for 20 MB/s video transfer speed. This A8 Pro 3-channel dashcam's compatible with iOS/Android. Use the Eivikga app to preview, download, and share recordings instantly on social media. Our front and rear dashcam combines speed and convenience for effortless management. With a 2.45-inch IPS screen, the dashcam provides sharp, clear visuals, allowing you to effortlessly navigate settings and view recordings. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.